Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the lesson page. So let's get started. Once you have logged in and have found the lesson, you'll land on the lesson overview page. On this page, you'll find the focus of the lesson, the vocabulary it targets, as well as its ELPS correlations. If you do not see the ELPS correlations, you can turn this on from your account settings. If you scroll down, you'll also find related materials to the lesson. You can click on any of these materials to view it, and click Add to Class in the top right corner to add it to your class at any time. Back at the top, in the corner, you have the option to add the lesson to your folder, to share the lesson via Facebook, X, or via email, or to add the lesson to your class. The majority of our lessons have both digital tasks and a PDF version. To view the digital tasks, click Launch Tasks. These are the tasks your students see when you assign the lesson to them. If you are teaching online and screen sharing, or teaching live in person with a smartboard or a projector, you can also use these tasks to teach live with your students. Click on any task and click Start to view it. You can work on any tasks and browse through the list on the left to view all of the tasks available. You can view the answer key for a task if there is one available by clicking the gray apple. You can add the lesson to your class at any time by clicking the blue Add to Class button in the top right corner. Click the Overview button to go back to the lesson page. To view the PDF version of the lesson, click Open PDF. When you add a lesson to your class, you also have the option to include the PDF version. You can also teach live with the PDF version by screen sharing or in your classroom. In the top right corner, you can view the different PDF versions: the US version, the Canadian version, and the UK version. You can also view the student version. The difference between these two versions is the teacher version includes an answer key and the student version does not. To the right, you can print the PDF by clicking the print icon. You can download the PDF for offline use, and you can share a link to the PDF with your students. You can also add this lesson to your class by clicking Add to Class. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the PDF tools. You can change how the PDF is displayed with the first 5 tools, and you can highlight, type, draw, and erase with the bottom 4 tools. To the left, you'll see the sections of the PDF. Click into one to be brought to that page. At the bottom, you'll find any audio tracks available. Click the arrow to view the list. Click a track, and then click play to hear it. To the right, you can also browse through the PDF pages with the arrow. If you would like to go back to the lesson page, click the Overview button. If you would like to return back to the Ellii homepage, click the Ellii button. That's it for this video on how to use the lesson page. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.